I refresh the swivel hubs on this 80 series Toyota Land Cruiser. Step 1. The tear down. Using a brass punch to protect the studs. The impacts shock the conical washers loose. Fold back the lock tab. Undo the locking nut, remove the tab and the adjuster nut, and the whole hub comes off. If you don't forget about the brakes. Off with the backing plate and step axle. And out comes the CV axle. Next, we undo the kingpin bearing retainers. And now we can remove the swivel hub itself. Scoop the dinosaur jelly. I've got a lot of cleaning up to do. Voila! Let's put it all back together now. The old wheel bearing washers were toast, so they get tossed. Shiny new parts, new wheel bearing races. New kingpin bearing races. I'm using a brass hammer so I don't damage the steel bearing races. New inner axle seals. Time to pack all these bearings with grease. Throw them in taper facing down and push the grease through the rollers. Go ahead, you know you should call her. Make sure to spread the rest all over and spin the rollers as well. Pro tip, if the wheel bearing seal has a big rubber lip, it's for the rear hub. Front seal is flat, just like my chest. If you don't have a bearing packer, there's always the old school method. Time to reinstall the kingpin bearings and swivel hub. Fucking mint! If you've made it this far, drop me a follow. I hope you enjoyed or even learned something along the way.